Hey there, welcome to Cute Cubes. I am Sal. Let's get started with the video. Today I am making a homemade squishy haul. Let's get started with the first one I ever made. This is my first ever homemade squishy. It is made out of tape. This tape right here. I also made the packaging myself. You can also open it and get the squishy out. This one says winky face because it's a winky face. This one says happy tongue squishy because it's happy and it has the tongue sticking out. So next I have this bun squishy that does not look like a bun at all. It's made out of foam, really thin kind of soft foam and duct tape. Really poorly made. I have this cookie. At the back it has those holes, and up here it has like the icing cream kind of thing. Really slow rising. I got 2 slices of cake. This one is made out of makeup sponges and this one is made out of I'm not sure what kind of sponge. Just looks like this. It's barely even rising. And this one, I also have this thingy. I'm not sure what cake it is called. The bag is resealable. This one's kind of hard, not really squishy. Here is the packaging. Kind of ruined already. I have this popsicle made out of leftover foam. Ta-da! It has this face on it. I also have this popsicle that is a bit more bigger. It's kind of big for a popsicle, but oh well. This is how it looks like. And it has a smiley face. I have this one that is basically a cat. I suppose it's a cat. What else could it be? Made entirely out of a makeup sponge. Kawaii face slice of bread. Licensed squishy. This is also a resealable bag. Also made out of a makeup sponge. Not very squishy though. Two faces. Pizza squishy. It just tells you how to read it down here. Pizza. This is also resealable, but I use like tape folded together. As you can see, the back says Tasty Pizza, and up there it doesn't say anything. There's the pizza. This is probably my favorite one because it's so detailed. Ooh, shimmer. Feels shiny. Not very slow rising. I have this sandwich squishy that is barely even a squishy. Macaron squishy that looks like I tortured it, like I pierced the top of it. I think it's supposed to be mint. I don't know. It's pretty though. I just don't like this thingy. It says macaron squishy. This is the tag. Homemade squishy. Macaron squishy. I tried to draw macaron, did not do a good job on it. It's soft but not slow rising. Give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! I'm craving pizza right now.